Jeez, I've never had that back window so clean. Oh, that's why. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. I am hopefully going to be having a great day pretty soon. If you guys see behind me, we don't really have a back window. And if you missed the last few videos, we don't really have a back window. So we're gonna go and get ourselves a whole new hardtop for $45. Yes, that's right, I said $45. They want about $600 for a window, or I can get a whole hardtop for 45 bucks off of this guy that's selling one about 2 hours away. But that's the catch, it's 2 hours away. So I have to take my roof off and drive the 2 hours. And it's not that warm today. It's probably 12 degrees. So 12 degrees Celsius, I don't know what that is, 47 or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not that warm. And I just cleared a new check engine light. I don't even know what it was. I don't even care what it was. I didn't feel like checking the code. Fed up with this thing at this point. So yeah, I cleared the check engine light while I got gas. Hopefully the check engine light doesn't show his ugly face again, and we get there and get back with the new roof. But yeah, so that's my day so far. So let's go, let's take this top off right now, and hopefully we can make it there before this guy has to leave, because I've got a short window to be there and I want to make it. So I will see you guys in a moment after I take my top off. Well, the roof is off, as you guys can see, and I just connected this after curing, so hopefully it runs pretty good. We'll see exactly what's gonna go with that, and hopefully our new top is better than the last one. So let's get going. Well guys, it is hella windy out here, but as you can see, we've got ourselves a roof. And it doesn't look too bad. It's got a few marks here and there. It's not the cleanest. But if you guys remember, these vents right here, I paid $150 for one of these vents about, I don't know, 4 months ago, and I got a whole roof for 45 bucks right now. So, boy, am I feeling stupid. But it is what it is. And check out this guy's Jeep. It's pretty nice, nothing too special. I kind of like the army green. But it is rotting out a bit, as you can see inside there. No bueno, no bueno at all. And if you look at mine, she's in a lot better shape. So now that we've got that taken care of, and the struts actually work, the rubber stays in place unlike my old one, and everything looks good. It has clear windows, which I don't mind too much, and the hinges are deteriorating quite a bit, so I will probably try to change those eventually, but I'm not going to play with them right now because we know what happened last time. So looking at the roof from the inside, sorry about my crazy hair. I've been wearing a hat this whole time for 2 hours driving here. But yeah, it's a little dirty, but exactly the same as my old one. And if you guys can see, it's not the cleanest, but it is what it is. That we can take care of. But we've got glass. That's the most important part. So now let's head back to my place and we can better inspect everything. But first things first, does the windshield washer work? It works and it's silent. My old one sounded like a gremlin trying to break out of its cave, But this thing actually works silently. The wiper works, and I don't need a new wiper, which I actually have one at home, but damn. More surprises. For 45 bucks, man, the wiper costs like $20. Just the actual blade. So I think we lucked out. Now let's start heading back, and yeah, luckily it actually didn't even rain on us. It looked like it was gonna rain, but we got lucky. We made it here. So we stopped to get gas on our way back, and wouldn't you know it, they've got a car wash. And I've had a little bit of whistling from the top over here. Now I'm sure mine whistles as well. I don't know if this one's worse or not, but we're gonna go run it through the car wash, make sure we don't get any leaks at least. And then if we don't get any leaks, then I don't think I'm gonna have to play with the glass and remove it and put it on mine. But if the roof does leak, then unfortunately I think I'm gonna have to remove the glass and take a chance and put it on my roof. So let's go through the car wash now, and let's see exactly what we're dealing with here. Take a look. Not too bad. We got most of this gunk out of the weather stripping here. Back looks all right. A little bit of water inside, but that's what I used to get with my other top as well. So it is a little leaky. Nothing that I didn't expect. Got quite a bit of water in here, but it was pressure washing, so I think with rain we should be fine. Yeah, I'm not too concerned. The inside of the weather stripping is actually dry, so that's a good sign. And yeah, it looks half decent. This hinge I'm not too happy with, but it is what it is at the moment. I don't know if I want to change it out. Starts giving me issues. I have them as spares, and they do look like shit, I know, but we all know what happened last time I changed the hinges, so let's not do that. All right, sweet. Time to head back on the road, get back to the city, because it's going to take me another 2 hours. And you've seen a little bit of splashing here, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, a little bit on the door.
Yeah, I think that this top will be fine for now. And yeah, so let's just get back on the road. So yeah guys, it's a little bit loud. I think that we need to change the window out and put it on my other roof, because you see how much louder it is without me holding it? No bueno, no bueno at all. All right, just stopped for a sub halfway through the way back, and it is really whistling in there, like to the point where I need to change this window out as soon as I get back. And I don't know, the rubber seems soft, but it whistles like mad. So we're halfway back. We stopped here in Travis Scott. Now I guess it's time to go back. So I'll let you guys know once we get back. Probably gonna have to switch out that window But I'll update you as soon as we're back in town. So we're back in the city now, and as you can hear, it is quite loud. You see? You see that? I hope you guys catch it on camera, but it's whistling like an old man with a gap in his teeth. And I'm gonna go right now. Hopefully we can swap this roof out for the other roof and just put the glass on my old roof, and that way we don't have this whistling anymore, because it's driving me nuts, and 2 hours of driving like this is hectic. All right guys, so I have to start by taking everything apart and getting it ready to swap over. Okay, so yes, they are very loose. So we will put them back very loose. Oh yeah, very loose. Okay, now we know. Okay, so there's one side. Hold it in the middle. Got it? Yep. It's called using your head.
At least your head will catch it.
Okay. Go down with it. Wait.
Stop going down.
Okay, you got it?
I got this side. Hold on.
I have to unplug this, the motor.
There. I got it.
Free. So now,
Put it down on the rubber side.
now I'm gonna give these a little bit of a loosening, just so that it can line up properly. And once it has the glass in it, and the glass is nice and tight, then we can tighten these in. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna need you.
Hold this thing up.
Now I just gotta tighten those ones on the other side. Hold it like this.
Yeah, I wouldn't risk it.
Like this one I can undo. Okay. All right, guys. So this time I did it with just a socket in my hand. If the socket is too much power, then just let me know, and that's probably why it's gonna break again. But I have a good feeling. I have a really good feeling this time. It doesn't feel weird or off. So hopefully it should be good. That means it should be okay. And then it closes fine. So we have installed the glass and the new struts. So hopefully everything is good. Now I have my fingers crossed. I am gonna be leaving for about 30 minutes, gonna go get dinner, come back, and hopefully when I get back, everything is still as it is now. And if that is the case, then I will have a hardtop that I can get rid of. Because you guys can see this one is a lot more faded and a lot more used than mine. Mine actually looks pretty damn good in comparison. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is take this one and put it up for sale. And if I can't sell it, then you guys will get a cool video of me with a Sawzall taking this thing and chopping it up into bite-sized pieces so I could throw it away in the dumpster. And like I mentioned, these vents, I paid $150 for one of these vents back in May. So I am definitely gonna take these vents out and have spares because I'm not buying another vent. But pray for me, guys. I will be back in a little bit, and let's hope it's still looking the way it looks now.
Jeez, I've never had that back window so clean. Oh, that's why. So yeah, there's nowhere to keep the roof, so we're gonna drop the roof off here today because, like I said, there's nowhere to keep the roof. So let's go. Let's put this thing, I guess, for now, in this parking spot. Don't worry, guys, I'm not littering. I actually do work here, so I'm just gonna leave it here for the time being. Try to sell this thing because it is in good shape. Like, it's a little faded, but other than that, somebody can buy a new weather stripping and they're good to go. But yeah, so let's turn my lights off. Let's start unscrewing all the thumb screws, and I guess we'll leave it here.
Jeez, need some help?
Hold on, let go.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, that works. All right, a little turtle shell action there, but takes up less space. And now we're ready to go to the beach. Let's go, buddy. Well, we're back. And we still have a window. So, looks like today we had a good day with the Jeep. It drove good. We did about 400 kilometers and it actually performed well, which means that it should be good to go on a nice off-roading trip soon. So we should be going somewhere in the near future. Don't know exactly where yet, but I'll keep you guys posted. And yeah, we'll see if we're gonna sell it. Like I said, if something else big happens, I'm probably gonna still sell it, but for now we're keeping it. I know everybody wants me to keep it from all your comments that I've been seeing on the channel, but it's not going anywhere, so don't worry. But just want to say thank you guys for sticking around today. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a crazy ride these past 3 days. If you guys have been watching the past few videos, if you haven't, go check them out. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not new around here, then I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, ride safe out there. Peace.